You'd probably think I'm promoting or marketing this product, but it's actually the exact opposite. So the clients have used this to seal and refresh, or whatever you want to call it, on the countertops. And this is after I just cleaned with the Miracle Dust. That's the Miracle Dust right there. This is kind of after I wiped it down after using the Miracle Dust. Okay, how much buildup and gunk is on there, which normally is because of the use of these products. And this is how the stone is. So you see all the glare that is on here, all this glare, all this buildup, all this, and it's very hard to clean when you're using those types of products. You can see all the stains, all the buildup. It's more visible, the glare, see the whole glare on the island. Okay, so once I'm done, you're going to see that all this glare is going to be gone. Okay, so let's do this again on camera so you can see how easy it is. So that's a little bit of the Miracle Dust right there. Okay, it's a little lumpy. I'm using a Scotch-Brite green scouring pad, lightly wet. Okay, just a little bit of water. And we are going to try to do this with one hand. We're going to rub this gently, but nicely. Being a granite, this is just a buildup because of the products that we used to clean. And like I said, it's that stone tech stuff. That's horrible. Okay, it builds up on the stone. It doesn't do you any good, doesn't protect the stone. And you can imagine how much bacteria is actually, you know, harbored in all this that you're going to see in a second. All right. Now the clients they cleaned the countertops before I came. All right. This is how clean they are. Now I washed the cloth from the previous clip that I sent. Okay, I kind of rinsed it. All right. This cloth was perfectly blue. Okay, but watch this. Okay, look at that. All right. Okay, so everything is nice and cleaned up already, and started the sealing process already. But one thing I wanted to point out is, and I don't know how well the camera is going to pick up, but on this light here, which is the light from the hood of the stove, you can see the stone actually sparkles. And the client was just here, and you know, so impressed. I'd never really seen that before, and that's again because stone is kind of camouflaged with this other stuff they were sealing and cleaning with. But nice sparkle on the stone. Okay, so this is the finished product now, after not only cleaning the stone but also sealing it. And you can see it's a honed stone. There's not supposed to be a glare or a shine on it. And it's a beautiful honed stone.